Welcome back to the channel. I'm Sean. It's my friend Jesse.
Hey guys.
Today we're heading out to the Ghost Public Land Use Zone. We're going to be driving to the very end of the TransAlta Road down to the riverbed. We'll be exploring out in that area because I've never quite been that far. Well, we have been right down to the riverbed, but we've never been kind of past it, almost right to the Banff National Park boundary. You'll be turning left. No, not here. Next. Gotta direct Jesse as well.
Sometimes I'm very forgetful.
Sometimes he is. So that's where we're going to be heading today. Probably have a bit of a fire out there. Here. Turn here. Okay. We're on the TransAlta Road now.
Texas Gate.
Texas Gate. All right. Here we go. Well, bad news. Looks like our path is blocked. Last time I was out here with Jesse a couple of years ago, about a year ago actually, this specific spot there was a bridge crossing the river right here. It's not here anymore. So we're just gonna kind of explore right here. As you can see right here, it's a campfire right here. Some good spots actually. Right there is a ruin that Jesse carved. I had to go back to the vehicle because we were kind of just walking around for a bit to get the camera. I don't know where he went now. There he is. Let's go see Jesse, what he's found up the hill.
That actually smells very disgusting. And you know what? Leaving it out here is also pretty disgusting. This is just another hazard for a person or an animal. So don't litter.
Jesse and I are heading to another spot that looks kind of cool. There's a little pool actually by it. Gotta be careful when we're making our way over there though. It's kind of uneven ground here, just a little bit of deer trails and stuff like that here and there. Not exactly wearing the best footwear for doing this, but head down. Looks like there's a little pool. It'll be cool for swimming in the summer. Well, basically it's summer right now. Feels like it anyways.
Rock versus rock wall. Rock wall wins.
Looks like we found a couple camp spots right here. We did hike a little bit to get here. Obviously, I think in the winter, if you're driving out here with a good 4x4 vehicle, it's pretty easy to get to because everything's frozen, but because there's no bridge, it's pretty tough to get right to this spot unless you're walking in. Unless you had some kind of big truck or something. Walk around here. This might be a cool area to camp right here, even if it's a little tough to get to. What are you making, Jesse?
I'm gonna try and make a bola.
A bola.
Yeah.
Today I'm just going to start using a lighter. I've done the flint and steel tricks before, you know, but sometimes it's just more convenient to start it with a lighter. Put a couple more sticks on here. It should light up fairly easily. There we go. Like I said, really easy. Probably would have been beneficial for me to put some bark on there as well, but this should start without any problem, so. All right. Fire started.
Bola is a very ancient weapon. It goes back to pretty much every human group on the planet, from Romans to Native Americans. It's a very simple weapon. What it is two or more stones that are tied together with cord, and when thrown, you aim for an opponent's legs or midsection, hopefully grapple them together. Let's see if it works. Not the best, but the idea is very simple. What you want to do is have the weight of the rocks wrap the cord around the body of the individual you wish to subdue, and that's simply it.
Not really sure if I've ever really talked about why I like coming out to the Ghost Public Land Use Zone, specifically Trans-Alta Road section. Just because, well, for one, look at the views from right here. And two, coming out here during the weekday like I do, because that's when my days off are, there's no one else out here. And, you know, that's important to me when I like to go and do things and experience the outdoors, because sometimes people can be obnoxious. So I try to avoid them sometimes, but coming out here, there's no one else out here, and like nothing beats it for me. And like specifically, like I said, the Trans-Alta Road section of the Ghost Public Land Use Zone, as opposed to something off the Forestry Trunk Road, is I like this area because the Ghost River's right here. The mountains are a little bit closer.
Well, I like coming out here because it's kind of like going into your backyard. That's not your backyard. It's kind of hard to explain that. It's a short drive away from the big city of Calgary, and it's just such a breathtaking vista. Every time you come out here, it's almost as if you're seeing it again for the first time.
I think I'll add to what Jesse just said, and to what I said before, is that when I come out here, it kind of feels like it's untouched. There's no facilities, and there's some trails and stuff, and some people do off-roading and stuff here, but for the most part, I think they stick to the trails in this area. So it feels more untouched when you come out here. It's a more raw version of nature, if that makes sense. Jesse's gonna let me try his bolas that he made. He added a third rock to it now to hopefully make it easier, I believe. I'm gonna try hit that stick that I set up right there. I did it! There we go. We're done playing with Jesse's bolas. Well, I'm done playing with them. Jesse's beating the crap out of a piece of wood. Does it surrender yet?
I've tied on this one rock really good, so.
Yeah. So, yeah, we recreated a scene right there from Lord of the Rings. This is not gonna end well. Oh boy. I guess it kind of seems like our excursion out here today has kind of turned into a primitive weapons building day. So Jesse made his bolas and then a morning star, right?
Yep.
And now I've made a spear. And I'm going to test it against one of the boards that we found out here. They were just left by someone before us. I guess I'm going to test the spear, see if it actually sharp. We're gonna make our way back now. We just have to head up the steep embankment right there. And then it's only about a 5-minute walk from where we are right now. I liked coming out here today because sometimes it's good to not just do a hike. For me, I feel like it's just a nice time to come out and relax. A good day trip, I guess is what I'll call it. A great day trip. It's not camping, it's not hiking, but you're still coming out and you're enjoying the wilderness and you're just having some fun. And that's, you know, it's a good thing to do when you come out to the Ghost Public Land Use Zone. Just having some fun. Up we go. Well, we're back in the vehicle. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this week's video. I tried to make it a little bit more personal for you. That kind of we're just taking you out on a day trip kind of thing. So make sure to leave a like and a comment if you want to see more videos that are like this. Subscribe for new videos coming every Friday, and we'll see you next week.